Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import audio from Voice Memos to your CapCut. So open up a project first and then go to Voice Memos, and you're going to select the one that you want to import. Select the three dots next to it and then select share. You are going to scroll down and then you're going to find the CapCut app and you're going to select it. Just select the CapCut app and then select import audio to CapCut, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, the audio has been imported. You don't need to do anything else. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!